really important to get a highly efficient panel on your roof because roof real estate is more valuable than you probably realise.
The LG panel, you'll get more yield per square metre on your roof. So when you've got a certain amount of roof space, you want to maximise what you're going to get out of there.
So we're fitting a lot more power in a smaller amount of roof space.
The LG panels will return a higher efficiency. So the higher efficiency, they return more power every day, long term for the next 25 years. It makes sense to go for the more premium grade panel.
I think people do recognize when a company actively puts the environment ahead of finances, and I think people do appreciate that.
For this one, we've designed it with the premium grade LG solar panels. They take up the same physical roof space with a lot less of them, so therefore there's less weight, less load. It works for the design at this particular site.
And also operating a business from these premises, they can't afford any downtime. They don't want anyone coming back and interrupting their operations. They just want a hassle-free, risk-free install. We find the LG perfect.
Salt with a cheaper solar panel will work its way in. It'll find a way into the panel, which can degrade the panel. It can corrode elements of it. And often what we find is the first thing is it allows water and moisture to get into the panel. LG have the highest salt rating available. They've passed all of the extra tests to ensure that they are not going to be affected by salt mist.
Also, the type of panel that's required is the high wind loading. LG is known globally as one of the strongest Pascal rated wind loaded panels or modules in the marketplace today. So that's something that a lot of people didn't realise.
We see so many solar systems advertised on a 25-year warranty. And those manufacturers are talking about a 25-year performance warranty from a company who may not be around in another 5 years.
Having the confidence in the product that we're working with, so with LG you know it's going to be there for 25-year genuine manufacturers as opposed to spruiked 25-year warranties which are horrible when they say it's just a performance warranty.
And then there's this idea of a 25-year performance warranty. So they warrant that the panel will perform in a certain way over that time. It's really fairly worthless because at the end of the day, if the panel isn't performing properly, it's usually due to a fault. So there's a way for them to wriggle out under these performance warranties. LG is different.
When we work with LG, we're talking a 25-year product and performance warranty. This is a whole of system warranty on the panels.
They actually offer a 25-year parts and labour warranty all the way through that period. So if there's a fault in that period, you're going to find that someone like us or anyone in the LG dealer network can go out, remove that panel, put a new panel back on, and it won't cost the customer a cent.
The backup's there, the warranty's held within Australia through LG Australia. It is a full 25-year product warranty.
I monitor them after the installation. I am very happy with the performance from LG products. It just keeps on producing electricity, it keeps on performing as expected and better.
The difference is out there. Choosing quality, looking for things like brand names. We're selling LG panels, which are a quality brand, proven performance, great in low light, excellent in hot days.
You want to deal with companies like LG who have a diversified business, have been in operation for many, many years, and that's what you have to look for, in our opinion.